Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace point of sale system. Now this particular plugin expands the scope of the point of sale system by covering the sellers of your online marketplace store as well. So now the marketplace sellers can have an outlet which can be managed by them under their own account panel. The sellers can enable products for their POS and can decide the product's quantity which will be used in their POS itself. Apart from that, this particular POS panel can work both in the online as well as in the offline modes to give a seamless functionality there to the POS agents at the POS terminal storefront. Apart from that, the admin can create multiple POS outlets for his own store and can assign agents to the respective created POS outlets as required. So basically the marketplace sellers can now have a POS terminal. As you can see right now on your screen, as you can see, this is a point of sale terminal for the marketplace vendor. And under the account panel of the marketplace vendors get two different options. One is the use POS and one is the manage POS products. Under the use POS section, they'll be able to tap that option and this particular POS terminal would pop up there. That's a web-based POS. And under the manage POS products, they'll be able to manage their POS products. They can generate the barcodes for their products as well and can set up the unit quantity for the products as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll just be showing you the vendor's end. On the admin's end, the admin can create, as I've already told you, multiple outlets for his own store as required and can assign different POS agents or the agents to the respective POS terminals that the admin has created. So in today's video, we'll just be checking out the vendor's end. So before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So this is the POS terminal of the POS what we say as the of the marketplace vendor there. And before I take you through all of the options that are available here and the workflow of the POS terminal there at the vendors POS panel, let me take you to the account panel of the vendors there. So this is the account section. So I've logged into my marketplace vendor account by logging in there by entering my username password. And after the login, on the right hand side I have my marketplace block account block here, and within that if you see we have use POS and manage POS product options. Now under the use POS, if I open the use POS in another window, we'll be seeing that the POS terminal would be loading up and we'll be able to see our POS terminal itself. And under the manage POS products, if I open that up in another window, we'll be able to see the complete list of products that we are having. The vendors, all of the vendors products are being displayed here. As you can see, total 48 products of the vendor are there and total 48 are being displayed here. And from here the vendor would be able to enable or disable the POS status of his products for his POS terminal. So for example, we have the blue dress here. The price is $99. It's disabled for the POS. We can set the assigned POS quantity here and we can make it as enabled. So we have enabled it and we have set the assigned POS quantity for the particular product, that's the blue dress as well. Now if I scroll down and I just scroll it to the right hand side here and I just scroll it back up here, you'll be able to see that we are able to mass print the barcodes for our products. Right now I've already generated the barcodes there. This is the blue dress that we have just enabled with the assigned POS quantity as 200 there. If you want, you can also set the unit price status as enabled for the product there, and you can print the barcode for the product as well by tapping here on the print button and entering the quantity or the number of barcodes that you want to print, and then tap on the print button, and accordingly for this product the number of barcodes would be generated, and then you can tap on the print button to print the barcodes there as per your own requirement there. Now let me cancel that out. Let's go back. So this is the blue dress. We have enabled it. We have set the assigned POS quantity as 200. Let me scroll down a bit and let me scroll to the right hand side. Here you can see that one of the products is there, like Sony Vaio. I am not generate the barcode for that. If I want to generate the barcode, then it would be in this particular color, and this button signifies to generate the barcode. If I tap here, you'll see that the barcode would be generated, and the barcode has been generated for the same. So that's how you can generate the barcode for your products, and that's how you can enable the particular products that you have for your POS terminal. So we have enabled the blue dress there. Now if I want to access the POS terminal there, I can tap here on the use POS button, and the POS terminal would start loading up, as you can see, and we'll be able to see the POS terminal. And here's the blue dress that we have just enabled with the price 99, and the if I go back here, the assigned POS quantity is 200. So for example, if I try and add this particular product into the cart by selecting the size, color, the particular product weight for this product is 500 grams, and according to the weight there, the price would be added to the cart. For example, if I add it to the cart right now, you can see that the price is $99 for weight 500 grams. But if I remove that out and I try and add again a quantity of 1000 grams for the same, you'll see that the price would be doubled there, that is $198. Now if I select a customer for this, I can select the customer's using name, email or telephone number. For example, I'll choose typing in telephone number. Let's proceed to the checkout. I'll choose the cash payment. I've tendered 200 the customer. I'll accept the payment for the customer there, and the order has been placed. Let's skip this out. Now if I go back here to this blue dress, as you can see, with the assigned POS quantity as 200, and I refresh the page, you'll see that now the blue dress enabled for the POS data sets enabled. Now the assigned POS quantity is 199. So you can see that we had assigned 200 quantities to the POS there, and now right now it's only 199 POS quantities available for the POS terminal there. Now this is the POS terminal itself, and here's on the right hand side we have the cart. Here we have on the top right hand side we have the barcode scan option. You can scan the barcodes to add the products into the cart there. So after tapping this up, if you have the barcode attached with your system there, you can scan the barcodes to add the products directly into the cart there. Then we have the hold cart, and then we have the cart option here, showing the number of items in the cart. This is the hold cart option. So I've shown you one checkout there. Now here you can also see some notification icons on the products. So this is the product information. So if I tap on that, I can see the product information like the name, price and the items left. Same goes with this one as well. So if I tap on that, you can see the items left are 199 now. Then we have this product contains unit price. So if I tap on that, the unit price for the product weight is there, as I've already shown you. Then we have a question mark, and if a product contains options, then this particular product image would be having this question mark as well. Tapping that up would bring up the product options like the size, color. If a product is not having options, then you can directly add it to the cart, like the full length leggings for $49. I've directly added it into the cart there. So this is how you can easily add the products to the cart. Here on the top and you can see the different categories, like the popular ones and the rest of the categories of the marketplace vendors there. On the left hand side we have the checkout, orders, settings, reports, and an option that shows us whether we are online or offline. So I'll also be showing you how the online and offline thing works there. So I've added the full links into the cart, as you can see, and here we can see the cart details that one product is in the cart right now. And from here what you can do is you can also update the product price according to your needs. So you just need to tap on the product price. The price was 49, let me set it as 47. I can tap on the apply button, and you can see now the actual product price has been updated, and the price of the product has been updated to $47 there. If you want to remove this, just tap on that, then tap here on the remove button, and the particular thing would be removed there from the cart itself. and let me add it back into the cart. Now here you can also select the customer for the particular products that are being added by tapping here on the select customer. You can select a customer using the customer name, telephone number, or his email address. If the customer is not existing there, what you can do is you can add a new customer by tapping on the add customer. You can fill in the customer details, his address, register him, or register and select the particular customer there as per your own requirement. So for now I'll be choosing John Doe, so we have selected John Doe. If you want, you can also give the discount on the products by tapping here on the discount option. The discount can be of the fixed or the percentage type. You can also set up the discount name. For example, if I want to give a fixed discount of $10 and I want to set the discount name as discount 10% and tap on the apply button, here you can see that discount 10% and 10% discount has been applied to this, and the total is $39 now. To remove, you can again tap on the discount and tap here on the remove button to remove the particular discount that you applied to the particular product there. So we have removed. Now the total is again $49. If you want to view the particular order that you're going to place, you can tap here on the view order to view the image, product name, the quantity, the price, the total, taxes, and the subtotal there. So you can tap for the view order. To proceed to checkout, you just need to tap on the proceed to checkout there. Choose the, whether it's a cash payment or a card payment there. For the cash payment, you can enter the amount entered by the customer. You can give out the change back, and you can accept the payment by tapping on the accept payment button. Now about the hold order thing, for example, I have a product into the cart and I want to make a checkout in a while from now as a customer. So what the POS agent can do is he can put the cart on hold. So if I put the cart on hold, it's actually showing the list of all of the hold orders there. So to put the cart on hold, I have to tap here on the hold order. I have to add a note for the hold order, putting the cart on hold for customer to add more products. So I'll hold this order. You can see that the cart is empty. The current cart has been put on hold. So if you see now it shows showing one quantity here for the whole cart. If I tap here, I can find the particular cart that has been put on hold. Now what we can do is we can another customer can come and we can select the products for him, add their products, and we can make a checkout for the customer. Now when the particular customer comes back whose cart we have put on hold, we can go to the orders on hold here. So by tapping here at the top right hand corner, or I can also go to orders and then on hold, and I can tap this particular thing. So here you can see the note as well, putting the cart on hold for the customer to add more products. And here I can tap, and this particular cart would be the products of the cart would be added back into the current cart there, and then we can proceed to the checkout thereafter. So that's some of the workflow of this particular POS terminal there. Here you can also see a more option that brings up the account settings and allows you to log out of the POS terminal for the seller there. And if I go to the orders, here we have the orders that we've already placed, so we can with the details of the orders as well, and we can print the order receipts as well. Here we have the on hold, and here we have the offline orders. So right now you can see that we are online. Now if I disconnect my internet for the time being, so I'll be disconnecting the internet there. So I'll just disconnect the internet. So you can see that here successfully entered offline mode. Now you can see that we're in the offline mode on the left hand side here. Now for example, if I try and place an order, so let's place the order for the full length leggings here. I'll select one customer, I'll proceed to the checkout, I'll choose cash payment, amount entered by the customer, accept payment, order has been placed successfully. Let's skip the order. Now under the orders, you can, if I go to the orders section, here you can see that under offline we have this particular full length legging product that we have placed the order for, and we can print the invoice for the same if we want. Now whenever we come back online, we'll be able to synchronize all of the orders there. So let me reconnect. So you can see now we are again online. Now here we can tap on the synchronize all offline orders, and this will synchronize all of the offline orders that we had placed. So now you can see that the orders have been synchronized to the server, and under the offline we don't have any orders left. So that was about the orders having the previous on hold offline orders. Then under the settings, we have two settings. One is the basic settings for the POS terminal agent, like the first name, last name, the account, email, the option to enter the previous password and to change the password there. And under the other details, you can change the language of the POS terminal and can change the currency of the POS terminal as well as per your own requirement there. And under the reports, you'll be able to see the end of the day reports there. The first order ID, the number of orders, total sale value, last order ID, product sold, total discount value, along with the outlet name as well, as you can see here. And here you can find the current month total order by the customer, payment done by card, by cash payment, and the rest of the details, as you can see here in the charts there. As required. You can also filter out the date from and date to values. You can filter out the reports as per your requirement there for the POS terminal there. So this was about the POS terminal itself there for the marketplace vendors, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding how the vendors POS terminal appears there. And how the vendors would be able to access their POS terminal under their own account panel by logging into their marketplace account panel, going to the use POS option, tapping on that, and that will bring up the POS terminal itself onto the screen there. And how they can add the products for their POS by just going to the option that's the manage POS products. Here they'll find the complete list of products or their own products. The actually this particular list displays the complete list of their own products, and from here they can add these products or can enable these products for their POS by setting up the POS status for each of the products there as enable or disable for the POS there. They can also set up the assigned POS quantity there. Apart from that, if I scroll to the right hand side here, you'll also be able to set up the unit price status there for each of the products. You can generate the barcode for your products. You can print the barcodes as well as per your own requirements. So you can set up the number of barcodes to generate. You can generate the number of barcodes there for your products. So that's much about this particular video tutorial today, and I hope it helped you out. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then kindly do get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise the ticket at webcool.udesk.com as well. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.